In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Payoneer account. If you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or a company that needs to receive international payments, Payoneer can be a reliable way to get paid and move funds globally. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, while sharing tips to help you get approved smoothly. First, head to the official Payoneer website in your browser and look for the Sign Up button. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking the URL before you continue. When you click Sign Up, you'll be asked to choose between an individual account or a business account. Pick individual if you're registering as a person working for yourself, and choose business if you're representing a registered company. Select the option that matches how you'll use the account to avoid delays later. Next, you'll provide your details. For an individual, that usually includes your legal name, date of birth, address, and a primary email. For a business, you'll add the business name, registered address, and contact information. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your official documents to prevent verification issues. You'll also create a password. Use a strong, unique one that you don't use anywhere else, and consider storing it in a reputable password manager. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then proceed when you're comfortable. Now it's time to verify your identity. Payoneer typically asks for a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the ID is valid and not expired. If you're uploading photos, take clear, well-lit images with all corners visible and avoid glare or shadows. If you're signing up as a business, you may be asked for additional information like company registration details or proof of operations. Provide accurate documents that match the information you entered earlier. After you submit everything, Payoneer will review your application. This can be quick, sometimes minutes, or it may take a few business days depending on your location and the documents provided. Keep an eye on your email for updates, including any requests for clarification. Respond promptly if they ask for additional information, as that helps speed up approval. Once you receive the approval notification, you're ready to sign in and start using your account. At this point, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security and reviewing your profile to ensure all details are correct. That's it. Your Payoneer sign-up is complete. If you found this helpful, follow along for more straightforward guides like this one.